Hello, hello, hello. My name is John Howe-Wemett. I am the financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, and this is another episode of John's Top Tips. So I get this question a lot from folks who are right on the verge of retirement. How am I going to get paid when I retire? The first time I was asked this, I was surprised, but then I thought more about it, and it's a really valid question. Most of us, we spend years working and having money land in our checking accounts on a regular basis as a direct result of that work. So once the work stops, what are the mechanics of making sure that you have enough money in your bank account to cover your bills? Well, let's break it down by source and get into the nitty-gritty of the process. We'll start off with Social Security. Now, you can turn on reduced Social Security benefits starting at age 62. If you wait to start benefits until you reach your full retirement age, though, usually that's around 67 for most of us, you receive your full retirement benefit. If you wait until age 70 to turn on that faucet, you get a nice bonus on top of your full retirement age amount. Now, when is the optimal time to take Social Security? Well, that depends completely on your particular situation. And the best way to figure that out, a little shameless plug, is to work with a financial planner like me to hammer out a sound strategy. We can run a couple of different scenarios and figure out which scenario is best for your particular situation. But let's say that you do go ahead and you turn on those Social Security benefits. How often does your money come? Well, you can expect the payment to come once a month, and those payments are typically directly deposited into your checking account, just like a paycheck would be. Well, that's great and all, but a lot of folks can't meet their expenses with just the income that they get from Social Security. So where do we get the rest of your retirement paycheck? Well, some of us are fortunate enough to have a pension, and depending on your pension, you're likely to receive a direct deposit of your monthly benefit into your checking account, just like your Social Security benefit. But pensions are becoming more rare for employees. So now we turn to the money that we have saved into our employer-sponsored retirement plans or in our IRAs and other investment accounts. Every employer-sponsored plan is different, but IRAs and other investment accounts like us, like the ones that we have here with us at GCM, have the option for a periodic distribution. And that distribution is set up on a regular basis to go directly into your bank account. The way this works is that we make sure that we set up the distribution to leave your investment account on a particular day of the month, quarter, or we can even make it a one time in a year. And that will arrive via direct deposit, typically within 1 to 2 business days of us initiating that transfer. And then to make sure that the distribution goes off, we have to make sure that we keep enough cash within the account that we're managing for you, sitting outside of the investment model to cover that distribution. If there's not enough cash to cover the distribution, well, we usually get a notification, we sell out of some of the investments, and we raise the cash so that that money would be available to go. It does seem a little bit complicated, but the bottom line is this. It's simple to replace your paycheck in retirement as long as you have the assets to do it. And working with an experienced team like us here at GCM can make that process even more simple. We can make sure that it continues to run smoothly for you once you stop getting your regular paycheck. If you have any questions about any of what I've talked about, or if you're just curious about some more of the inner workings of making sure that you have cash in your bank account when you retire, just reach out to me. You can email me directly, jhowe@gencapmgmt.com, and I'd be happy to help you out. Again, my name is John Howe-Wemett. I'm the financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, and this was another episode of John's Top Tips.